Sorry.
Yeah, but I want to do, and then I cut up like a couple apples and put it in there too.
Yeah.
So that's good too.
Yeah. Ooh, that sounds good.
Yeah. I always have, my problem is he's probably gonna, since we were all over this, it may be a little, but that's okay. So, but yeah, but the ratio is always off. It's either like you have so much freaking sauerkraut left over, or you run out and then you've got like all this tonnage of freaking kielbasa and hot dogs left. So. Looks like you slid down the hill on your butt. Yeah. Plus, they said, they had track somewhere here too for the other search and rescue group that came out and trained. Okay. So we may run over something there. I don't know if they use food or anything like that, so I don't know how they do it. So, but yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking too. Well, it's like last weekend we had a snafu with Amp. Some people and their dog came out and was barking at him, and he just got all flustered up. He had a little bit of a difficult time. But you know what? That's training. That's why you train. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Did you bring your waterproof boots? Nope. Your almost waterproof boots? Yeah. Yeah, we spent $40 on 2 6-packs to bring home. But they were good. But they're good. Yeah, it's like $4 a beer or something almost. Yeah, well, especially if you're buying singles and doing a mixed pack, they're always crazy. Yeah, there's a one that was like 15% alcohol by volume. Oh.
Come on, no. Search. Search. Hey.
Well, you could always down him until she goes through.
You get everybody?
Yeah. Hey. Oop, sorry, guy. Yeah.
Rigger. Sit.
I saw her, but I didn't realize she came up. I didn't even see her come around. I saw her down there.
Okay, I didn't see her around that log.
Yeah.
I'm like, why is she... Hey. Come here. Sit.
Oh my goodness gracious.
You got it?
Yes. Okay.
Rigger, search. No, search.
The little hat's gonna have to come off. So we're up. So we'll put him.
Come on, search.
There you go. And that could just be because was wanting to follow them for a second. Now you can see his head up. He's trying to pick it up now. He's gonna go back and forth a little bit. So since we know that, so we'll go ahead and bring him back this way. He's still, like you can tell, his head's up. He knows he's not on track. He's trying to find it. So what we'll do is we'll put him about where the arrow is. Hey, how you doing? Hi.
Come here. Ruger. No.
No, it's not him.
Good boy.
Say good boy. Yeah, there you go.
Ruger. Search.
Yep, that's fine. Here, we'll bring him back this way a little bit. Let's go ahead and get him. We've just had 2 people, 2 dogs, and who knows how many other people. So let's get him like over in here.
Search.
Let's get him over here and try to see if we can't get him to search her. Yeah.
Search.
There we go. If we need to, we'll help him out a little bit up here. Yeah. So let's bring him across the road here.
Wonder if she went up and went
Yeah, she might have. Oh yeah, it's that way. So he may be picking it up, but I want to try to keep him on track.
I want him to.
Yep. So, because that's the problem we're having with Amp. Amp's wanting to super shortcut things. Well, then if he does, you can't always tell that we're on, you know, like if she can see it, that's good. But you see how she went that way? Yep. So it may be coming down the hill. And I'm pretty sure it probably is. Oop, oop, got it?
Yep. Mountain bike shoes, no? Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh boy.
All right, hold on. Let's see if I can dig in somewhere for you. All right, hold on. Here, let me reach over.
Ooh, it's a bunny!
You can actually grab this if you want, or me. It doesn't matter. I don't think I'm going anywhere. So
I'm going down the hill!
you are. Yeah. There we go. You got it. Here, grab a hold of me.
Okay.
I'm trying to get. I don't know how to grab. I was like, what do I grab on? There we go. All right.
I was sliding backwards.
She was,
bad.
she was just standing there and was like, she wasn't even moving.
She's
I'm
okay.
okay, I'm okay.
Search.
That was funny though. Because yeah, you were just standing and you weren't even moving, and you were just like, and here I go. It was nice they got those little things in the that run with the thick blue ones, the little metal.
Yeah,
I was able to hold on to it. So my awesome directions that I told Dana for this was to go up and then in a direction. She's like, in a direction? I'm like, yes. He's like, looks like an old deer trail. Jeez. Yeah, I just caught the other. I stepped over the one and grabbed the other one. Yeah, there she is. I see her. Yeah. So he could have probably followed the whole road down there.
Just drifting down.
Yeah, and then eventually what had happened is he would have kept going, and then which case he would have started going up because the smell came from up here. But I want to try to keep him as close to source as possible.
Yeah, I want to be more active.
But like I said, if it was a test and the person went up and they went all the way around and then they went down and ended up here and he went and went straight down to there, hey,
They count that then?
It should be, but it's just nice because if you know they're on scent, then they're ready. You know what I'm saying? And you know where they're at. Plus, you can read them and see, all right, he's on scent. Like he had it, but he was like,
yeah, he was airing it.
yeah, his head was up the whole time. We're talking about it's an old deer trail.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because you can see. Yeah, he is. Yeah, you ought to get a pair of these. They're not too bad. I mean, I had a little hard time in that mucky spot just because I don't think. Oop, you all right? Just because I don't think there was any traction this side of spikes. Yeah. Go. Huh?
Oh yeah, Dave was going down.
Yeah. So she went back down too. Yep. All right, Dana. Yeah. Should have just brought your mountain bike up through here. Even with the boots, I'm still everywhere. Oh, that wasn't a limb. Are you all right up there? Yep. Yeah, I took my cap off back there. I was like, all right, I'm dying. They're killing me here.
Yeah, so he was definitely.
Yeah, he was. Yep. So he would have walked this street or this road here, and he would have eventually got to right here where she got to, and yeah. Because I mean, we went in just like down that way, probably about 50 yards maybe.
Something like that, yeah.
Well, we basically went up over and then back down. So.
She's coming. Not everybody has 4 legs, buddy.
I know. We always laugh at the dogs. They're always like, they run up the hills like they're nothing. Or while they're running, they'll jump over something, and it's like, and they just kind of bounce like it's nothing. It's like, are you kidding me? I think it's a shorter distance down over here, with less water, where I'm standing at.
I'm fine, but my goat path skills are not that great. I feel like I'm walking sideways on my ankles. My shoes are almost turned.
There you go. Got it?
Yep.
There we go. All right.
He's thinking about me,
Yeah, either that or the scent could be stuck on it.
Yeah.
So in which case he may be catching scent on the object as well.
Ruger, oh boy, search. Come on, search.
Whew. I'm burning up now. The temperature's rising too, besides body temperature. Yeah, I think so. There we are.
Come on, search.
We're almost back to the car. See, he knows he's she went this way.
No. Hey, no, sorry.
So, yeah, we'll get him back. Yeah, we'll bring him back. He said, "Oh, mountain bikes are exciting." I was wondering if he's gonna cut down. Search. Yep.
Good, search.
Did you know any of those guys?
No, I didn't really get a good look at them.
Okay. Ooh, nice.
I thought I was easy.
Yeah, that was a pretty good one. You were like, screw. It was a nice little slide there. Yeah, bounding. Look at him. Hey, I didn't know if you were going to just go back to the car.